Okay, hey everyone. Just got my e-bike, received my e-bike from Alibaba. I ordered on March 15. Today is May the 2nd. So I received it. So everything is good, but only find two holes right here. I think it's the pedal. And within 30 days, if they don't send it, we get a partial refund back. So now I receive it and hope everything works. If not, I have to report them so I can get the parts or money back from Alibaba. They have the insurance date. So come over here, let's take a look. Oh my goodness. Oh, so this is, so I got it upside down, I guess. Shit. But look at the box. It's up. It look like they put it upside down? I don't know. So it look like, so now, so what should I do? We use scissors. All right. Now, trying to open the box. It is upside down. See the chains right here, the tire is facing up. Okay. And the thing that was sticking out was here, which is not the pedal. It's the front tire, I guess. So now I'm gonna take them out one by one. Gonna take this and take this. Yes. All right. One tire. Front tire. I think this is called hydraulic. I'm not very sure. Should be. And then I'm gonna. All right. So we got some batteries, charger, which is out of the box by itself. Look. What the heck? But it's okay. It's been 50 days on the ship, you know. So as long as it's working, I'm fine. Oh, just let you guys know, I bought this thing like includes shipping. It's like 900 something. So the e-bikes around this price in America. Oh, they got the tool here. This is what I was looking for. So they have this kind of e-bike in America. The cheapest one probably sells like 1,500. So I saved like what, 50%. See, it's very nice here, but yeah. So you got the battery holder. They have no instructions, okay? And I'm not a bike person, so now I'm gonna just do a guessing. I think I'm gonna put the ball on here first and put the tire on, then wire up the stuff that need to be wired up, and I hope it works. But looks like it's gonna work. All right, nice bike too. I feel it's nice bike. So I'm gonna also show you my other legit. Can you go over there, take a look of the.
Oh shit! Ah! Now my bike is. Oh shit! We got a scratch. Oh my. Oh man. Let's never do that, right? So let's never show off before we got things installed.
Damn. But anyway, bye. This is a legit one. I bought from other seller. My biscuit, crack biscuit. Look, this is for my crack here. Okay, so let's show off a little bit. This is a legit S2 Super 73. Okay, come over. This is hella nice. Okay, I don't know the quality yet, but see, a motorcycle. All right, look at the kickstand. It's very nice, good quality kickstands. The only thing, the problem is right here. They I think they're cricket or something, so it's kind of move a little bit this part. I don't know. I'm gonna call the seller, see what they say. Look at it, it's chips already. Come over here, see? Like this one, chips already. I really need. And this screw, I just put a temporary screw here. It was cricket too. I have to like take it out pretty hard. And the tire pressure. It says max is 5 to 30, so I put the tire pressure PSI to 25. This is good. And I don't know how to adjust these things here. I mean, if someone can help me in the future. Right here. Right here, I charging it. What happened is I charge it for like 10 minutes. I put it in, it will work. So I hope it's just the battery itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put this baby battery. I hope it don't damage my original battery here. So I'm gonna use this, and let's see what happened. Okay, this is unlocked. I don't even remember which side is it. I think it's this side. I think it's this side. Okay, took it out already. Look at my Super 7, the kickstand of the 73 right here. It's just a cheap kickstand, but that kickstand really nice, and the connection really bad. So and I kind of feel like this Super 73 battery is much bigger. I'm not sure can it go in, but looks like it. No, it's not. It's not the battery. So, unfortunately, yeah. Unfortunately, see, look at this. Look at this. It's exactly just a the RX. I think the new model RX. If I put this right here, but they're not. I think the battery. I really hope, right? The battery should not have problem. If it does, man, I will be very upset. So the battery won't fit. Battery won't fit once I put it in my burn. So I'm gonna ride this. Okay, I'm gonna ride this. Actually, it's not bad. This is the same weight. Okay, this is the same weight. I think they say this is about 50 to 60 pounds. Same weight as the how you call that thing, the S2 model. But since it has the 7 gears here, and because the 7 gear is very light, so I think when you guys say knockoff is bad quality, I assume, but actually this is more well built and more cheap. Like, you know how you get buy a car, you get the basic model, you only get the rolling window and stuff, but this thing have everything premium. It's just a little bit bad quality that we might have to fix later, but I think it's a very good bike for now. Let's see the battery. I'll make another one.
I like that.
Yeah, just got it from China. Yeah, but charging the battery now it's look like I'm not sure it's working or not, but not bad, not bad. For right now, not bad. So that's it. Oh, do you know how to adjust the brake?
The brake?
So now the battery is charging, okay? Charging right here, and I check right here. The indicator shows, I think it shows full, right? Because earlier it was just like 2 green star. So I assume, guessing it's full for now. I don't know, will it stop later? Then now, okay, can you hold this? I'm gonna put this on my bike. Okay, I'm gonna unplug this. Okay, I'm gonna put this on here. Okay, let's close the charge port. This is on and off button. Oops. Okay, we can here insert in. Okay, we can just 1 second. You can pause first. All right, now let's talk about this. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, don't cut my head off. Okay. Closer, closer.
Okay.
Okay. Hi. Okay. This is second day. I finally installed it. It was easy. It wasn't hard at all. Just need a little small knowledge of basically how to put the pedal, put the handlebar on. Okay. The only thing, and also how to turn on this thing. All right. this is how they turn on. Come over here. Take a look. Okay, this is power off. Okay, power off, power on. Okay, and it wasn't working like this. Ooh, I was like, oh, this is a bad bike. So my son finally figured out. Just press here 2 seconds, and I rode it less than a mile. You can set it to what kilometer or mile per hour, and the horn got light, which is cool. I add this on so I can see the car coming behind. I swapped the whatever back here from my Super 73, and these 2 bags too. The reason why I put these 2 bags there is because actually, look at here, this is 73, okay? But when I ordering this bike, I just think it looked like Super 73, but it's not like copy Super 73. But when it came, it has the 73 here, which I don't really like, okay? And there's one more problem I find out is from the pedal and the disc right here. Come over here. So you can, if you look down from here, okay, once I pedal, okay, wait, so I lift the bike up a little bit, so I pedal, it's not straight, the plate is not straight. Look, do you see it? See, it's crooked. So I don't know, it's just the plate or the whole thing. So I hope this can be fixed later. And the clicking sound is from here. I don't know why, click, 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 click. So let's hear it. No, it's okay. So I don't know yet. Okay, that's it. And I will ride about a week or a month, then I do another review of it. But anyway, oh, this thing haven't. This is bad. This one of the screw is bad right here. So I contact the seller. So hopefully they can send me a replacement part or something. This one here, the ball holder. This screw is crooked. So I swap another one, it's still crooked. So I think it's not the screw, it's the holder, the thread is bad. Yeah, but we have 30 days after we receive this thing. We have 30-day buyer protection. I don't know how they protect me, but let's see. But I think the seller, right? I say the seller will do something about it. But now let's fix the clicking sound first. All right, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, sound. Maybe I feel it's the foot pedal. It's the pedal. I